going on? Today we are taking a look at the Jabra Elite7 Pro earbuds. We'll of course unbox the earbuds, take a look at what's included in the packaging, do a brief overview of the features and functionality. We'll take a look at how to manage them, and of course we'll do a wear and feel or look and feel. I'll let you know how they feel and you can judge how they look. Please don't judge based on this ugly mug. And then we'll do an audio demo so that you get a feel of what it sounds like to be on the other side of someone using the Jabra earbuds as their mic. Before we dig into all that, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not already, and turn on notifications so that you stay in the know as I come out with all these really cool videos. If you like the video, throw a like on the video, splash it all over your social media accounts. Sharing is caring, and I truly thank you. And with that, let's dig in. As is familiar with some of Jabra's other devices, unboxing is pretty simple. You lift the outer sleeve on the cardboard, and yeah, we have a little subliminal messaging right up top. Thoughtfully designed, purposefully engineered, expertly built. All right then, got a little flap on the side. We'll pull that flap up, and that lets us open like a storybook, if you will, the very front of the box. And the inside, we've got their sustainability commitment right down here. Gives you the warm and fuzzies if you're concerned about your devices coming from a environmentally friendly company. And then we've got a couple other things here reminding us, hey, download the Jabra Sound Plus app and manage it through their firmware updates, settings, all that good stuff. Pulling the lid up here, see, we got kind of like one of those pop-up storybooks that opens from different ways. This is actually an insert that pulls out though. We've got a brief little, hey, here's the case, the earbuds go inside, it charges them. When they're fully charged, you can take them out, put them in your ears. They connect via Bluetooth to your phone using the Jabra Sound Plus app. Good stuff. Underneath that brief tutorial, we've got the earbuds and their charging case right there. We see a little message right there. There's always more. Download the Sound Plus app to access the latest features and updates. So a couple different plugs for the Sound Plus app in the packaging. We'll pull that out, and then we get the charging case right there. We can see this is where we would charge it using USB-C, and you get a feel for what that shape looks like. Convenient shape and size for putting in the pockets or in a small compartment within your backpack and taking off on the go. Right below where the earbuds and the charging case were, we've got a couple other things here. We've got our charging cable, USB-C on this side for the charging container, and then USB-A on the other to plug into a laptop or other port. And on the top portion of this little packaging, as we pull this out, we of course have all kinds of different shapes and sizes of ears, right? Some people like myself have little ears, others might have bigger ears, and then even still things get even more different when it comes to the inner shape of the ears. So to make sure they are covering their bases, the earbuds come with a medium size already attached, but you've got a larger size and a smaller size if you need to swap out the size of the earbuds for that optimal fit in your own particular ears. Pulling this portion of the box out, we get the rest of our documentation down at the bottom, safety information and warranty. Read it if you like. I'm going to go ahead and close that back up. Coming around to the back of the box, a couple things we want to call out before we dig into the earbuds themselves. We've got up to 9 hours of battery on the device, 35 hours, including what the case can do to recharge, and that's with active noise canceling on and fast charge capability. For active noise canceling, you can adjust the ANC levels as well as the hear-through. There are call controls using My Controls, and you can use either earbud to control your calls. Right up here, we got the Jabra multi-sensor voice for revolutionary call performance anywhere. Right down at the bottom, they are made for the iPhone and have Alexa capabilities built in. Coming in for a closer look at the case, it is a small compact form. You've got the USB-C charging port up front, and the earbuds have a 8-hour charge capability, but you get up to 30 hours with the charge that they can get from the case, and just 5 minutes in the case will give the earbuds 1 hour of use. That's a really quick, fast charge capability to give you that 1 hour phone call you need to hammer out. The lid has a slight magnetic grip to make sure it stays closed when not in use and opens up easily when you need it to. Once we open it, we get our first view of the earbuds tucked neatly inside. The earbuds come in 3 different colors: titanium black, gold, beige, and black. Pulling the earbuds out is you can feel there is a slight magnetic pull. We've got the little charging prongs right there. They are flush with the device so that you do not feel them. But down in the case, you can see exactly where they would sit. The case has kind of a molded shape inside where the earbuds sit perfectly on so that you know which way to put them and where they should connect for charging. Using the Sound Plus app, you can adjust the level of active noise canceling you want, and you can combine that with HearThrough technology, which with the touch of a button on the earbud, that would be on the outside here, you can allow certain sounds from the outside to pass through to your hearing so that you're still in the know with what's going on in your surroundings. Jabra Multi-Sensor Voice makes use of 4 microphones, 2 in each earbud, with a voice pickup or a VPU sensor built into each bud. These VPU sensors allow bone conduction technology to detect when windiness is happening around you and then hone in on just your voice using the vibrations through the bone conduction capabilities. Most people like to use earbuds for exercise as well. They are for an on-the-go mobile and fit lifestyle. These earbuds are rated IP57 to protect against the sweat and other elements as you use them during your workouts. Finally, the earbuds have multi-point capability, meaning you can connect them to up to 2 different devices at one time for seamless switching between your mobile device, your laptop, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device you happen to connect them to. To put them back in their case for charging, they will simply return to the areas where you see they match up to the prongs, and as you set them in, you will feel a magnetic clasp kind of kick in. They will clip right into place, and back to charging they go. Now, as for the look, in terms of how they look when you're wearing them, some people like to make a statement with their earbuds. Others like them to be really kind of non-intrusive to their overall appearance. They want them to be light, compact, not super visible. I'd say that these, from my own looking at them judgment, fall into that category. In terms of putting them in and getting them ready, right underneath the 2 prongs on each side, I don't know if you can see it in that image, there is an L for left and R for right. And you'll, of course, take the little rubbery part that goes into the ear. I'm going to give a shot to the medium-sized ear inserts because generally that works for me. But again, we have the other inserts we can swap out if we need to. And you'll just take them and position them right into, they kind of go in there. There you go. And we are already prompted. As soon as you put them in, you are already prompted to go to the Bluetooth section of your mobile device and connect. It's like giving me instructions right now, walking me through how to connect to the mobile device. Of course, you'll want to get that Jabra Sound Plus app so that you can make use of it, update them, and adjust all your settings to customize them. But this is the look. That is what it would look like if you were wearing them. Of course, I'm sure you would look far better than this, but you get a sense of what they look like on the side of your ear or from the front. So, little look and feel demo. As far as how they feel, that's good. That's like a earbud. I think the mediums were the right size for my ears. As I shake my head, I don't feel like they're flopping or getting ready to fall out. They don't feel like they are too big of a presence on my head. But there you go. Look and feel. Okay, as you can see, we are installing the Jabra Sound Plus app. Now we are prompted to go to our Bluetooth settings. Okay, as I'm being prompted by the earbud in my ear, I've come to my available Bluetooth items here. I see the Jabra Elite7 below. I'm going to click it. It says it's pairing. It automatically is pairing when you first put them in. So that's awesome. If you happen to let it go by without pairing, you just hold down the button on that left earbud for a while, and it will eventually let you pair. Now I've paired, it says we are connected. Right up top, we're connected for calls and audio, 50% battery remaining. As we open up our Sound Plus app for the first time, Bluetooth permission is required. We'll say allow Bluetooth. Yeah, we're gonna allow that. Okay, welcome, awesome. Searching for the device, it's gonna find my earbuds. We'll say continue. We have both earbuds with some power. They are turned on. We can see that our left earbud has 71% power, right earbud 55%, and our case has 46% charge. Okay, after fully charging our earbuds and our charging case is at 95%, a quick walkthrough on what you can do in the Sound Plus app. You'll see that we've got on our sound modes, right now it's off, but you can turn on active noise cancellation and hear through. I'll go ahead and say active noise cancellation because I really rely on that a lot. It's great. But you can adjust the levels manually right here on both active noise cancellation and hear through. You've got your equalizer. You can change things up if you want. I'm going to say, let's put it back to normal because I don't want to mess up the way things sound. You've got music presets. I'm going to leave it on neutral because I don't really need to do any of these others, but you can see here some presets that might come in handy. You've got soundscapes that you can use, a large number of soundscapes actually as you look through all these different possibilities. I chose ocean waves, but we're not going to really demo that at the moment. We've got widgets. So all these widgets we're looking at, we can either remove them or not. We'll leave ours alone as the default, but you can modify the widgets you see on the screen. Going back up to the top, if we click on the settings little gear icon, we have a wide number of things that are available to us in here. We can update the firmware right up top. We can see we're already up to date though. Our headset settings, we can modify the audio experience, our calling experience, and the headset configuration itself. I'm not going to dive into any of these. I just want to let you know what kind of functionality you can modify and change. To personalize the headset, there's all these different wizards that you can walk through. You see I've walked through them and kind of set it up to match what I want it to. But getting the active noise cancellation to the perfect level you need for it, naming the headset, my fit, my sound, my controls for call control functionality, and then voice guidance language. A lot of different things that you can set to make the experience truly one that is unique to you. On the voice assistant part, you can choose either Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, or just stick with the Android default. Then we can use Find My Jabra, which will locate the last known location of your headset if you've got voice services turned on, so that's something you got to activate. You can rate them, you can register them, you got your quick start guides and your online user manuals. A lot that can be done from the Sound Plus app, so this is where you will go to manage your Jabra Elite 7 Pros. Before we demo the audio on the Elite 7 Pros, we'll crack the case open. We see that green light at the bottom indicating we are charged up nicely. When we tap the button on either side, we get a nice little green indication showing the earbuds are fully charged up. Let's test out our sound. And on to the demo. As you can see, I am wearing the Jabra Elite 7 Pro earbuds. I am using the Pro video setting on my Android phone so that I have chosen the Bluetooth mic as the mic source. So with the earbuds paired to the phone and using that setting, the audio you are hearing in this video is actually through the microphones, the onboard microphones of the Jabra Elite 7 Pro earbuds. So there you go. This kind of gives you a feel for what it's like to be on the other end of a call with someone that is using the Elite 7 Pro earbuds as their speakers and mic. And if you were the one using them, this is how people would hear you. Hopefully this explanation has been a good enough demo of what the mics sound like. And with that, we'll wrap up this video. I want to thank you once again for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button below if you are not already subscribed to the YouTube channel. And also throw a like on the video if you found it helpful. Blast it all over social media. Sharing is caring. And with that, I hope that we will see you back here for the next device overview video.